This is gonna blow your mind. Meet the titans of the skies, the greatest airplanes ever built. First up, the Antonov An-225 Mriya from Ukraine. With its 6 engines, it could carry a whopping 640 tons. Sadly, it was destroyed in 2022. Next, the Airbus A380. This European bird can carry over 850 passengers on 2 full-length decks. Then, the Boeing 747-8, known as the Queen of the Skies and the longest passenger aircraft ever. Check out the Stratolaunch Rock, boasting the largest wingspan ever at 117 meters. Finally, the mighty Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, hauling tanks, helicopters, and troops for the military. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.